Okay, everybody, just real quick. So, did some measuring, some dry placement. So the way I want this is to have this bracket over here. I want it to be able to move up and down with the ground. So we have to make sure that we have enough space to clear this. This little tab over here. So measuring it out gives me 14¼ inches with enough clearance to clear the tabs on this side and on the other side. I measured our bar that's attached to our roller, and it comes in at 46¾ inches. So some quick calculation: 46¾ subtract 14¼ you're left with 32½. 32½ is divided by 2 is 16¼ So this is where our placement's going to be. 16¼ from that side, 16¼ from the other side, and we end up with 14¼ in the middle. And that's how our next pieces of angle are going to go. They're going to be attached onto the bagger setup, and we'll go from there.